Welcome to SC Custom Designs. We are 2 days away from our Christmas craft show, and we're very excited, exhausted as well. Me and my wife have been working very hard to try to bring in those Christmas bucks, and so there you go. We have basically everything you're seeing here is new. I punched these out in the last couple of months. These are what we call bandsaw boxes. So they're basically cut out entirely on a bandsaw. And the pieces go right back in where they came from. So it's a pretty cool concept. I'll give you an idea what that means. So if we look at this piece here, it's a solid block that I've cut up and joined back together. And he fits, hopefully. It's hard to do with one hand. Let's just lie him down here like so. There we go. And it goes right back in where it came from. That's what makes these units very unique. So they're all one of a kind. They're going to be for sale this weekend at our craft show, which is going to be held at Jefferson School. This particular drawer here is unique because it has a hidden drawer, and I mustn't forget to tell the folks that when they're possibly interested in buying this unit. So he's stored in the back, and let's see if I can actually get this in with like this. Yeah, look at that. There we go. So there you go. We got one more drawer. Where is he? And after a while, they all look the same. Let's see if he goes in. And that's the beauty of these things too. If you're thinking about making them, I'm going to be doing. I have series on making these things, but I have some joined up wood. Again, if you like what you see here at SC Custom Designs, give us a thumbs up. Leave your comments, and we really appreciate your support, all the subscribers from around the planet, and coming right into my wood shop, which is in the basement of my home. Forgive me for swinging around. So yeah, and this is the poly shed. It's 61 degrees in here. However, outside it's more like a 40 degree or something like this. So all right, just a little bit of a follow-up. So I ran out of Shaloms, by the way, and so I made 9 of them. 2 of them are in the finished stage. This one here is going to be a demo. So these are Shaloms. That means hello, goodbye, and peace. This here I couldn't resist throwing that away. I didn't want to throw it away because it technically is a sheen cut out from there. Pretty cool. Somebody might want that. This here is the newest concept that we have here at SC Custom Designs. This is a dragon. I'll be making a lot more of these dragons. Now at first, and they have a drawer down at the bottom, by the way. At first, it was all one solid piece. And then I threw up a prayer to Hashem and Yeshua Mashiach, and I said, please give me some help. Give me some ideas. And lo and behold, I grabbed the block, went over to the bandsaw and made this. So you have 3 different dragons now that come out of this. So they can purchase the entire unit together, which I hope they do. And has that little drawer down there. I'm going to be staining golden oak, dark golden oak down here, or the opposite. We'll see what happens. So very excited about that new concept of the dragons, and I've got 2 down the basement that I'll be making more of these. So there you go. We're excited. Very, very, very excited. There's an example of the dragon before I cut it. Now this one here was a little bigger, had more real estate, but this is the idea here. In the drawer for this guy apparently is right here. So that's what he looks like. He, she, it, that. All right, thanks for coming in the shop. SC Custom Designs. Oh, we only have one of these this time. I forgot to make a lot of them. These are very popular selling. These guys over here are, they mirror each other, which I really, really like. I got another one of those I still have to bring out, and I'm doing the finish coats on these guys now. All right, we're going to do our usual goodbyes because I really got to get back to work. We got 2 days before we have our show. Shalom וברכה לכל החברים שלי בקנדה, בארצות הברית, בעולם. Hello to and goodbye to all my friends in Israel, around the globe, in the United States and Canada, all over the place. Argentina, Masalami is goodbye in Arabic, and Tutsens, Afrikaans, see you later, goodbye. Zaijian, Mandarin, mainland China. Arrivederci. Take care, God bless. Stay safe out there. Keep the creativity coming, woodworkers.